one, Jeremy, for you. It's pretty good. What tip would you give a new celebrant? What are some of the tips? Because you and I will have a list of different tips.
Look, be yourself. Don't overpromise. Often when you start out, you overpromise to try to get the booking, and then you end up promising things that you can't deliver. Don't overpromise things that you haven't, seen before or done before. It's not the place to try to change the celebrancy space when you first start. Just go with the flow, and then as you get confident, you can, try new things. But just say yes to everything and put yourself out there. I think one of the best websites I've seen is called One Flair. If you're registered with them, we had a student that I taught. He took 70 bookings in 6 months just from One Flair. So have a look at that. You might not be getting much more than $100 or $250 because it's a bit more low budget, but it's a great way to start, get experience, get photos, get videos, get reviews, learn your lessons, and then progress to something like Easy Weddings. Some of those websites like Easy Weddings are not set up for brand new students, because if you don't have reviews and photos and video, people won't contact you. So use One Flair. Get onto socials. When you do those mock ceremonies, dress up, get some photos of them. You could use those photos on social media, on Insta. They don't know it wasn't a real wedding. It was a mock, but it still gives the appearance of, and you've got something to get into the market with. Unless you've already got, friends. Most students are doing friends or family, and you're doing the course because you're going to. So that's an easy way into it that way. You're not having to sell yourself. But there's heaps of work out there. There's 130,000 weddings a year in Australia, so there's plenty of work.